today's breakdown. Today we're gonna look into the 1957 song Great Balls of Fire, produced by Jerry Lee Lewis, the one and only, whose lengthy career I am actually admiring very much. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna show it the intro completely, then I'm going to show the boogie woogie progression completely, and then I'm going to address the two key points you pay attention to, and I'm very sure after 2-3 times playing along with the song you will be able to play it. Let's do this. And that's it, that's the intro. So let's zoom in. We are starting on the 3rd fret E string and we're going to 5, then A string 2 and 3. And then we do it again, starting on A, 3rd fret. Then you go to the A string 8th fret 2 times, and then back, and back to the first pattern. And that's the whole intro. So again, slow. 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 9, 8, 3, 5, 2, 3. And then after the intro, the actual song starts, of course, and then you go to the 8th fret E string, it's a C, and you go and back. So we're going to play the first position 2 times, on the lower position 2 times, 1 time on the 10th fret, 1 time back on the 8th fret, and you start all over again. And that's actually almost everything you need to know for the song. So now we are coming to the 2 key points you have to pay attention to. So in the song, when the chorus will start, you will notice you are on your A string. And when that happens, you go so you can hear clearly in the song, you know when the music stops and it goes like. So that's the first one. And the second one is at the end of the song, you will go, instead of going to 10, you go 8. And that's the end. So I'm gonna play it 2 times, and I'm going to go chorus, stop, and bridge, and then end. Actually, to play slower is kind of harder. I'm having more trouble to keep the note clean than I'm playing it faster. Maybe because I'm not used to slowing down, but I will learn as you will learn this song. So I hope that's enough information for you. In the screen there will be tabs also visible, so you can put the song on pause and or put the video on pause and practice. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any comments, anything I can do better for you, just leave a message in the comments. I will read them all. If you have any suggestions or requests, maybe I can do something, or I have it in my catalog, and I'm happy to show things to you on request if I'm able to. I'm gonna be clear, I'm no Davey 504, but I will do my best to play anything that's requested. So have fun with it.